So now that we are able to use our tokens, let me now give you a tutorial on how to use your tokens when purchasing a product in our merchant store. So we go to our phbworks.com website and then log into our member back office. So just type your member office. Oh, by the way, you may also see that there's a PHB assistant here. You can also ask your frequently asked questions with our PHB assistant. That's one of our benefits as a member, to have this AI or artificial intelligence Autobot. The robot is this one. Okay, so let's log in. And then it will take us to our dashboard. We just go to merchant store. And then let's go to try and buy and attend the leaders camp this June 1 and 2. So add to cart. Then since I want to have more shares, I'll be adding additional products so that I can have 3 shares, because every 1,000 tokens spent is equal to 1 community share. So I'll add a bit of maybe the panel liner so that I can have 3,279. I can spend 3,279 and then click checkout. Now we go to use tokens. By the way, make sure that you have enough tokens to purchase. If you don't have enough tokens, so you will be able to have a successful checkout with whatever product or service you want to buy in our merchant store. And then just click use tokens and then place order. So you see, can you double check, are you sure you want to place this order? Total price, quantity 2, and BV. And then just click confirm. And that's it. Now you can now take a screenshot of your order number and get the product that you need. And then I'll click close, and then close, and then let me check if I successfully had an order. So now you can see I have acquired 3 shares. It's because I purchased an item worth 3,279, so that's 3,000 tokens spent is equal to 3 shares. And that's it. That's how you buy using your tokens, using your PHB tokens. Okay?